What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm back with another credit card review. This time it's actually on a card I already reviewed. It's basically just a 6-month update on the Amex Gold card. Since this is my favorite card, I'm gonna go over all of the benefits, all of the things that I've received, everything that I find of value, anything that I learned from the situation, and hopefully this can help out a lot of people who are considering getting the card or who already have the card and may have experienced the same problems that I have. Before I start, hit the like button. That helps me out tremendously. You have no idea how much that helps me. So the Amex Gold card, I reviewed this before. If you don't know all of the perks, I can link my older video up there. I kind of had some audio issues with that video, so I may go over the perks in this video as well. You know what, matter of fact, I am gonna go over the perks. So the perks of this card, what I received was a 50,000 rewards point bonus once I spent over $2,000 in the first 3 months. That has long gone. It's no longer here anymore. They do have a bonus still, but it's 35,000 rewards points when you spend $2,000 in your first 3 months. So it's the same amount of spend, less rewards points, but you still get a ton of rewards points. But if you really wanted, 5,000 more rewards points, you can always look at my referral link down below. Click that referral link and you can get 40,000 rewards points instead of 35,000. So check that link out. So that's one big benefit that it has, is the rewards, is the bonus that it gives you. But what it does have is it has a lot of perks as well. So before I get into the perks, I just want to let you know that there is a downside, and I want to put that up front. So if you haven't seen my review or any review for the American Express Gold card, it has an annual fee of $250. Now that can be a lot for someone, especially people who don't want to pay an annual fee at all. But it does add up to the right places. So let me get into the perks really quick. So the perks is you get 4 times points on supermarkets, 4 times points on restaurants, 3 times points on travel, 1 times on everything else. You also have 2 credits. You have 1 airline credit of $100. And then you have a dining credit of $120. Basically, you get a $10 statement credit each month in certain areas, which would be Grubhub, Cheesecake Factory, and others. If you want to see all of that detail, I'll post all that below. I'll also have my other video up there for reference. So now that you heard about the perks, now that you heard about everything that it offers, I can tell you how my first 7 months have went with this card. So throughout the first month, I pretty much hit the spend that I needed to hit, and I got my bonus. Now, I didn't physically get my bonus right away. It actually took quite a bit of time. If you have a Amex card from before, or you opened up and closed a bunch of accounts, they basically have a process in place to where they look at all of your accounts and they want to know if you're just applying for a bonus or if you're actually going to use the card. So in my case, they said that I received a bonus before, but I never received a bonus. And if that's the case, I don't know how anybody else has had any trouble with, getting the Amex card, getting their bonus, getting the Platinum card, getting their bonus. So if you have received both of those cards, shoot me a comment down below and let me know what your experience was, because your experience may be different than mine. So it took me quite a bit of time to get the bonus, and that was the problem. I didn't want to wait for a bonus. I wanted to get the bonus and be able to use it or have it. Even though I wasn't planning on using it right away, I just wanted to know that I was getting it. So it took a bunch of convincing, a bunch of back and forth. They had to call me a bunch of times, do a bunch of call pools, things like that. And it was just a long process. And this may be different for me compared to everybody else, but it was a long process for me to get my bonus. But eventually I got my bonus, so I'm happy with it. The total points that I have so far is around 60-something thousand, and I'm happy with that. I haven't been doing much spending on this card as much as I did in the beginning when I put all my bills on it, or not all of them, but a large portion of my bills. And then also groceries. Now all I do is spend groceries because it's 4 times, and then anytime I go out to the restaurant, it's 4 times. So that's what I would spend my money on now. One big thing that I really like about extra bonus points and what American Express has to offer is that I shop in various places. So I noticed that on the website they have different places that you can get extra points from, and a lot of it Like you have Adidas, you have like Nike, you have like other stores. And I would go to these places, get extra points or get 1 extra point, basically getting 2% back if you want to equate it to any type of percentage. But everything seemed to work out, and everything is working out. So that's my point situation. That was the problem that I had, was with all of the points really not getting my points right away, having to go through customer service, having big problems with that. But other than that, everything was good. Everything has been great, especially with the type of card it is, a metal card. If you don't know, it has weight to it. It's 15 grams. And every time I hand it to someone, I can probably say over 10 people have been impressed by the fact that it weighs more than a normal card. From one of the comments that I had, they asked, is that a guy thing? And I mean, it may be a guy thing, but ever since I got a metal card, it just feels amazing, and I don't want to go back to a plastic card. So every credit card company needs to move to metal cards in every situation. One, they just last longer, so you don't have to keep applying for cards or keep getting cards. And two, the customer is going to be happy because they just feel great. Trust me. I'm sure no credit card companies are watching this video. I feel like this card is very valuable. If you're looking for a great card, even though it has an annual fee, it is worth it. Because one, you get the 2 credits, right? You get a $100 credit and a $120 credit. If you use both of those credits, your annual fee is down to $30 because the 2 credits will equal up to $220. So all you have to do is cover that $30 plus more, and then you're getting the same back that you would get from any card that doesn't have an annual fee. This is my full update on the Amex Gold card, basically review / update. So I can call it whatever I want, but hopefully you like it. If you do, hit the like button. That helps me out so much. Also, comment down below and let me know if you have this card. Let me know if you're contemplating getting this card, because we can discuss why it will be a benefit to your life, or if it doesn't fit at all, then we can discuss that as well. So just shoot me a comment down below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.